Okay, we are at Heal Yourself Wellness with Jessy Biazzi.
Hello.
So, you had an experience in the EE system.
Yeah, a couple. Yeah.
Tell me, what did you first think?
Of my experience, or of seeing other people's experiences.
Your experience.
Oh well, I was shocked and amazed and excited all at the same time.
Very cool, very
Yeah.
cool. So, what are some of the things that you've noticed?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I've dealt with back pain since I was 21, and they said I'd have surgery, and then once I had one, I'd have three probably at the end of the whole thing. And I was like, yeah, right. I'm not gonna do that. Kiss my booty. So I started walking, and that helped a little bit with the back pain, but not 100%. I mean, there's been lots of days where I used to sit on a heating pad all the time. The walking helped with that a little bit, but after being on going in the EE system, I haven't had back pain at all.
Very cool.
At all. It's pretty awesome. And that was it started 2 months ago.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Anything else that you've experienced?
My mood has been better, consistently.
Nice.
I've been happier a lot more. Yeah. And sleeping better. And when the same instance 2 months ago, when I got here, I had a full-blown cold sore, and usually I just throw some Abreva on it when I feel the little tingle, and it goes away. It doesn't actually come all the way out, but I didn't have any at the time, so it ended up coming all the way out. When I got here, I didn't really think about it because I was busy doing my normal stuff I do when I'm here, and by the end of the day, so I got here earlier, 11 or something. By 8 o'clock, I was like, oh shoot, I should put some medicine on my lip or whatever. So I went to go do it, and it was completely flat, totally gone, except for a tiny spot. And then 2 days later, when I left, it was completely gone all the way. That's unheard of for a cold sore. They're horrible things that last forever, it seems.
Nice, nice. So, and of course, you've had other people that have experienced the EE system.
Oh yeah. Well, Mark, he came down, and he has cancer and some other things going on for him. But ever since, he kept continually seeming better and better as the time went on after he was here. Luckily, we were able to get him in there for an extreme amount of time that time, so that was probably helpful. But yeah, no, he was walking without his feet weren't as swollen at all, and he was walking straight up instead of hunched over, and he just seemed like he felt insanely good, and he said he did all the time, so it was cool.
Very cool, very cool. Well, I thank you for sitting down with me.
Yes, of course.
All right, come get your healing on.